Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Ogomwadi. Thank you for joining me. Guys, today I want to show you how I dye my hair using a natural product called henna. Instead of using the regular dye from the store, henna is one of the best hair beauty ingredients that Indians have shared with the rest of the world. Women have used the power of this natural compound to strengthen, nourish, and beautify their tresses back then. Among the most commonly known benefits of henna for hair is that it's a natural hair coloring agent and conditioner. But do you know of the many other reasons you should seriously consider for using henna powder in your beauty regimen? So guys, here I have this henna powder. This is the brown color because I'm going to be using this color on my model. But right now what I want to do is just prepare the mixture because it's supposed to sit for 8 to 9 hours or even up to 12 hours. So for this mixture I'm going to be using, of course, the henna, mixing bowl, a spatula, scissors just to cut this. I have here a green tea. You could use a black tea or a chamomile tea. It helps with, because henna tends to dry the hair sometimes, so this will help to, moisturize it. And I have milk here to help to have that shiny look after it. So this is optional. You could use any essential oil of your choice. I'm just going to use like 4 to 5 drops of CBD oil to help with the smell. So here we go. Depending on how dense your hair is, you could use 2 packs, but I'm using just this 1 pack. Alright, so the tea is now hot, it's warm. You go ahead and pour some of it. Give it a quick mix. I add a little more. I might have to just change my bowl. I have this because this is where I'm gonna store it. It's kind of too small for the quantity, so let me transfer to the bowl I'm going to be storing it in. You have to put on your gloves because you don't want to get your hands stained. If it's stained, it's going to take a very long time to wash out. Okay, now I'm adding my milk. I warm the milk up. The consistency I want is a paste-like consistency, so give it a stir. Let me take more, I still have more here. Just mix. Guys, you could get henna in the beauty store or on Amazon. Depends on the color you want. If you need a pure black, you're going to have to add the one that is called indigo. Mix it with the henna to get the pure black color. But if you prefer to color it with other colors, you just go ahead and buy the color you want. The natural henna has like an orangey color, so if you're into burgundy or auburn color, you don't need to mix. That's good enough for you. Alright, so like I said, this is optional. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 5 drops. You could use any essential oil of your choice to enhance the smell for you. You can see how it's pasty like. Okay. So now I'm just gonna cover it, and I'm gonna be putting it in a dry, cool place. I'm actually gonna leave this for 10 hours. So after 10 hours, we'll come back and I show you how I apply it to the hair. Stay. Hello everybody. Good morning, wherever you are. Good afternoon. So right now it's past it's actually 10 hours we mixed the henna dye, so it's time to apply it on my model. We're trying to achieve a dark brown or brown color. So by now the henna is ready, everything is mixed up. So I'm going to show you how I part the hair and then apply this. Like I said, henna is made from a plant. It's not has no toxic ingredient. It's all natural and it's very safe for you to use on your hair. So let's go do this. So guys, this is the result of the mixed henna. We mixed it yesterday night. It stayed all night, and it's like 6:30 right now a.m. So it's quite ready. You see the color is no more green. It's now kind of dark coffee brown sort of. So now I'm gonna go ahead. This is the hair. I want you to see the before. You can see the gray hairs. So, a couple of them all over. So what I'm gonna do now is to partition the hair into 4. I'm doing this in the bathroom because henna can be very, very mushy. And when it stains anything, it stays. It really doesn't wash out, or it takes a very long time. So this is the safest place for me to stay and do this. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay, I'm parting it into 4. So you're just gonna tie them so you can have room to work. I'm putting on my gloves. You have to wear gloves, guys, because this is henna. It stains. I'm using this applicator to apply it. Try not to go all the way down the root so it doesn't stain the scalp. You just want to go closer to it. A heavy smell, some people can't take it. That's why I had the essential oil to give it its own, a better smell. So while you're doing this, also try to partition with your hand and try to catch the other side of the hair, focusing more on where you have much gray. You could use your hands too if the comb is not working for you, but make sure you have on the gloves or else your hand is going to be hennaed. So guys, there's an important step I almost forgot. before you start putting on the henna dye on the hair, make sure you rub either Vaseline or coconut oil all over your face and back like this. I don't know if you can see it, because you don't want to get your face stained. It will be difficult to wash out. So I apply the Vaseline all over, a whole lot of Vaseline all over, and now we're good to go. All right, guys, off the camera I was applying the stuff, so right now it's all applied all over the hair, as you can see. So she's gonna leave this for like 4 hours on her hair, but before then I'm gonna be using this cellophane wrap to wrap the hair round and secure the dye. Alright, so now we're washing the hair. Don't mind the colors you see coming out, it doesn't really matter. It has done its job. That's why we're not using shampoo, so we don't lose the hairline. We wash with only water, guys. Do not forget, do not use any soap, nothing. Just the water. You wash it properly. And then you can do your thing like 2 days later. Alright, guys. The hair is very clean now. It's well washed. You can see already it has this kind of dark color. The grays are gone. You know, we're going to give it more days to do its magic. Sometimes it takes up to a week for all the grays to be totally gone. But for this right now, so far, if you can see, remember the picture I took before? This is the same spot. Don't know if you can see. It's perfect. It is so perfect. Natural way to dye your hair with no chemical. You know, nothing to harm your skin, your hair, your scalp. Sorry. Alright, so this is it. You just leave the hair to air dry. You know, you could twist it, whatever you want to do to it, and wait for the next 2 days, and we go ahead and shampoo and then do whatsoever we still want to do. Alright, so see you in 36 hours, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome once again. Still on the henna dye color. So it's past 36 hours, basically past 2 days. This is the hair. All the dye has done its job. You see the gray is gone. The hair is just only dry. Remember, we washed it without shampoo or conditioner. So now what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and wash it. I'm going to be using this conditioner from Suave, Tropical Coconut, and also the shampoo. It's good. It makes your hair feel so soft. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and wash this hair. Not with so much hot water. So go ahead. You wet it up real nice. Guys, you can see the color is not coming out anymore because it's all over the hair now. And then you go ahead and apply your shampoo. You can hold on to that. Okay. So make sure you wash it properly so any residue remaining can come out. Guys, you have to use cool water or very lukewarm water. Don't use hot water so it doesn't make your hair hard. So guys, the hair has been washed, it's been conditioned. We're going to allow it to air dry. I don't want to use towel on it because I'm going to twist it later using my homemade flaxseed gel. So as you can see, remember how it was before? Look at that now, all darkened with almighty henna. Guys, you need to try this. Instead of using the one that has chemicals and all that, just use the plant-based hair color, how God intended it. So this is it. And like I said, when it's a little dry, I start twisting it. Let me show you the front. See that? I believe we can see that. So dark, no more signs of any gray hair. It's all gone. All gone. We're just gonna go ahead and let it dry. Okay guys, we're all done. Thank you for joining Agomwadi today. Give this a try. I'm gonna put all the directions and everything in the description box below, and you could get it in the store or on Amazon.com, or just Google henna, whatever color you want to buy. I think they have a lot of colors available. Thank you so much for joining me. It's been fun. See you on the next video. Bye bye.